Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. We have seen page number 2 last time. Let us study page number 3 today. Here we are asked to solve equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 and 5x minus y is 18. As we said in the solution, what we have to do, we have to give the numbers to the equation. The first is 3x plus 2y is 29, that we are numbering as 1. And second is 5x minus y is 18, that we are giving the number 2. Now let us solve the equation by eliminating y. Okay, this is fill the suitably the boxes below. This type of questions are asked in examination. For each fill up you are having half marks. So here they are given here multiplying equation 2 by 2. This is the equation 2. Equation is to be multiplied means each term is to be multiplied. So 5x is also to be multiplied by 2. So 5x multiplied by 2. Then minus y is also to be multiplied by 2. So minus y multiplied by 2. And 18 is also to be multiplied by 2. So 5x into 2 is 10x. Minus y into 2 is minus 2y. And 18 into 2 is 36. Now let us add equation 1 and 3. Now in equation 1 we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. And in equation number 3 we have 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. We will find that here it was 2y and here is minus 2y. So if we add this, plus 2y and minus 2y cuts. Okay, so that is how it is decided what operation to be done. So here first equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. That is written here. And equation number 3 is 10x. Here is 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. And they are saying you have to add. So by adding 2y and minus 2y will cut. 3x and 10x will become 13x. And 36 and 29, 9 and 6, 15, carry over 1, 3 and 1, 4 and 2, 6. Now 13x is equal to 65. 13x is equal to 65. We want the value of x. Either you can say this 13 is transposed to that side. Either you can say this 13 is transposed to that side, or you can say dividing both sides by 13. Both amounts to the same. So 13 cuts here. So x is equal to 65 into 13. 13 5s are 65. So you are getting x is equal to 5. Now substituting this x equal to 5 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 3x plus 2y is 29. This is equation number 1. So 3x plus 2y is 29. This is equation 1. In that you are substituting x is equal to 5. So 3 into x means 3 into 5. Plus 2y is 2y as it is, and 29 is 29. Now 3 into 5 is 15. Three into 5 is 15 plus 2y as it is equal to 29. Now we want the value of, see here, 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Now we want the value of y. So what is other than y, we have to transpose. So here 15 is other than y. So you can transpose to that side. So here it is plus, it will become minus. Or you can say subtracting 15 from both sides. This is also same. How you look at it, it is up to you. If you subtract 15 from both sides, this 15 gets cut. Either you can say this way, or this 15 transposed to that side also same. You are getting 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. 29 minus 15. So 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. 2y is equal to 14. Now either you can say this 2 is multiplying, so that will divide on that side, or you can say dividing both sides by 2. Both are same. So this 2 will cut. 14 upon 2 means y is equal to 7. So therefore y is equal to 7 is this. Now x, what is the value of x? X we got as 5. So x is 5, that you have to write first, and then y you got as 7. So y is equal to 7. So bracket x comma y is equal to bracket 5 comma 7 is the solution. Now next is 15x. 15x plus 17y is 21, and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Now you will find that the coefficient of x here is obtained as a coefficient of y here, and coefficient of y here is shown as coefficient of x here. So this type of equations can be solved by previous methods also, but there is an advantage to solve this by some other method. So as I said before, first of all you have to give the numbers. So first equation is 15x plus 17y is 21. This is equation number 1. And second equation is 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. That is given equation number 2. In the two equations above, the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. While solving such equations, we get two simple equations by adding one equation we get, and subtracting the equations we get another equation. Those become simple. And after solving these equations, we can easily find the solution of the required equation. So let us add the two equations. So first equation is 15x plus 17y is 21, and second is 17x plus 15y is 11. If you add 15 plus 7 is 32. Here also you are having same 15 and 7. So sum will be 32. And 21 plus 11 also comes out to be 32. So 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. Now dividing both sides by 32. So 32x upon 32, 32y upon 32, and 32 upon 32. So here what happens? 32 cuts. So you are having x. 32 cuts plus y is equal to 32 upon 32 is 1. So you are getting x plus y is equal to 1. This is your equation number 3 that we are going to use in future. Now let us subtract. We said that we are adding and subtracting. Now here you will find that first one equation is 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. This you got from 1. And second equation is 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. This is from 2. Now while subtracting, you have to make sure which one you are subtracting. So here equation 2 from equation 1 you are subtracting, means equation 1 is to be written up and equation number 2 is to be written down. पहिलं इक्वेशन काय लिहायचं हे पहिलं 15x + 17y is 21 आणि नंतर दुसरं इक्वेशन काय लिहिलं 17x + 15y is equal to 11. You can subtract in either order. You may subtract equation 2 from 1 or you can subtract equation 1 from 2. It is your choice. But accordingly it should be clear here. Now here subtract means change the sign and add. So this 17x now it has become minus. Initially it was plus. 15y was originally it is plus, now it has become minus. And 11 it has become minus. And now you are adding plus 15 and minus 17. Plus 15 and minus 17. When you are adding two numbers of the different sign, one is plus, other is 1, you have to take the difference of them. So bigger number is 17, smaller number is 15. The difference of this is 2. So here 2 is come, but sign of the greater to be given. 17 is greater, so sign is minus, so minus 2. The addition of plus 15 and minus 17 is minus 2. So this is minus 2x. Now 17 and minus 15. If you want 17 and minus 15. So again here same thing. Because 17 is plus, minus 15 is minus, you have to take the difference. 17 and 15 difference is 2 and give the sign of the greater. That is plus 2. So it is plus 2y. And here 21 minus 11. 21 is positive, 11 is negative. So when you are adding one positive and one negative number, you have to subtract the number. So 21 minus 11 is 10 and give the sign of the greater. Greater is plus. So it is plus 10. You got minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now dividing both sides by 2. Here is 2, 2, 2. 2 is a factor. So dividing both sides by 2. Minus 2x upon 2 is minus x. 2y upon 2 is y. And 10 upon 2 is 5. So this you got new equation. Equation number 4. Now you will find that in equation number 3 you have x plus y is equal to 1. And in equation 4 you have minus x plus y is equal to 5. So if you add these two equations, you will find that this is x plus y is 1, this is from equation number 3, and minus x plus y, this you obtain from equation number 4. If you add this is plus x and this is minus x, that will cut. And 2y and y becomes 2y, and 1 plus 5 is 6. Now if you divide by 2, y becomes 6 upon 2, so y is equal to 3. Now you can place this value, you can put this value, substitute this value in any equation. They are saying that equation 3. Equation 3 is what? This. X plus y is 1. This is equation number 3. There you are putting this value, y is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 1 is the equation 3. They are substituted the value y is equal to 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 1. Now this 3, if you transpose to that side, it plus becomes minus. So x is equal to 1 minus 3, that is x is equal to minus 2. Now while writing the solution, you can say that bracket x comma y is equal to bracket. Now first you have to write the value of x. So x is minus 2, so that's you have written first. And then you have to write the value of y. So y is minus 3, that is written later. So that is how we solve the equations in two variables. We can start practice set 1.1 also. Okay. Complete the following activity to solve simultaneous equations. First equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So let us add. Why to add these equations? You will find that here you are having plus 3y, here you are having minus 3y. If you add, they will cut. So adding the equations 1 and 2. This is first equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is first equation. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now if you add 5x and 2x becomes 7x. Plus 3y minus 3y cuts. And 9 and 12, that is 21. Now 7x is equal to 21. If this 7 is transposed to that side, it is multiplying here, so it will divide. So this will become 21 upon 7. That is x is equal to 3. Now place this x is equal to 3 in equation 1. You can put in any value, but they are asking that you have to put this in 1. So 1 is 5x plus 3y is 9. pi into x. X means 3. Pi into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 3y, this is written as it is. In this, 9 is on right hand side, that will remain 9. And you have to transpose this 5 into 3 on the right hand side. 5 3s are 15. It is positive here, so it will become negative. 9 minus 15. So 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. So when you are having 1 plus 1 minus, you have to subtract. From greater number, you have to subtract the smaller. From 15, if you subtract 9, you are getting 6. But 15 is negative and 9 is positive. The sign of the greater number is negative. And therefore 3y becomes minus 6 upon 3y is equal to minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. This 3 is multiplying here, that is transposed to that side, becomes upon. So, therefore, y is equal to minus 6 upon 3 is minus 2. Now, while writing the final solution, you have to write ordered pair x comma y. Ordered pair means it is pair of elements. There are two elements. And ordered means where order is important. First, you have to write x and then y. Similarly, you have to write the first value of x here. So 3 you write first and y means minus 2 you have to write here. This is the final solution. We have studied two methods so far. One method is elimination by substitution. And second method is elimination by equating coefficients. So we can try all these equations by both the methods. Okay. So let us see here. As far as first equation number 2, first sub-equation is concerned, we are having 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. So first this we shall discuss in the next day. Okay, I will write something there.